This is Shur on Tefilla. We go to Lamnatziach David right after Ashrei before Valitzion. It's the Mizmor of David HaMelech composed this Mizmor for Lamnatziach, for the musician of the Hamikdash. And the Pasuk talks about Yaancha Beyum Tzara. Hashem would answer you at the time of the distress and would give you a strength, would give you help. Hashem would accept your menachot and Hashem would fulfill all whatever that you are asking. Now Hashem would save you, would bring the Mashiach. It's the Goyim, they come with the chariot and the horses, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we go with the name of Hashem, Hashem would answer us. That's a very wonderful tefillah that we dive into HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now the Midrash Terim says that David HaMelech, after saying 19 Parachim of Tehillim, this perek is the 19th in Tehillim. Whether it's a machloket, that two Parachim or one perek or two perek. That's some people call it 20th, but some 19th, because after 18 Parachim. Now the Midrash Terim says, David HaMelech says, after that he said 18 chapters of Tehillim, then he allowed himself to say, Yaancha Beyum Tzara. Hashem should answer you Beyum Tzara, in the time of distress. Therefore, after saying 18, now here also we said 18 brachot of Shem Nesre. We acknowledge that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is source of everything, all of our needs. That's type of praising Hashem. Because we are telling at the end of every bracha, we say, you are the source of this. Now we allow ourselves to ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu that Hashem should save us at the time of distress. In other words, once we make HaKadosh Baruch Hu the source of our being, then we could ask him at the time of sorrow. On the other hand, a lot of people do the other way. When they are successful, everything, they relate to themselves. We are the one who did. That's my thought, my things. The Fuah was a doctor, was hospital. The Geula was the government. But at the time that there is a sorrow, distress, there is nobody to help him, then he remembers HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Then it comes to Hashem. That also is good. That also has a value. But here, they're pointing out, the Melech said 18 problem of Tehillim, to praise Hashem and to acknowledge HaKadosh Baruch Hu is my king, my source. Then, once you do that, then Hashem is there to save you at the time of sorrow. And it's very interesting that this Mizmor has 9 Pesukim without the first pasuk. Now, Mefarshim say, why 9 Pesukim? Because 9 Pesukim refers to 9 months of pregnancy. Just a lady, imagine, a lady is pregnant. She has to deliver a child. 9 months of the pregnancy on the top of her mind, she's thinking that what's going to happen? How is it going to happen? What is going to be the delivery? The child would be healthy. Everything should be healthy. That is the main concern that she has. All the time she's thinking. And there is pain of birth. But the birth comes out. Now here also, we are saying in this Mizmor 9 Pesukim to understand that we relate to HaKadosh Baruch Hu like a pregnant lady. It doesn't have anybody. Nobody could do. Nobody could take out the baby. Only Hashem could do. I was in the delivery room a lot of times. I asked the doctors, how come the baby shapes himself in this special way to come out? I said, there's no explanation for it. It's only God. I told one of them, I learn Bible every day and Talmud every day, and you see the miracle of HaKadosh Baruch Hu every day. I said, your faith should be in a way greater, powerful. He says, you're right, Rabbi. You're right, Rabbi. But 9 months of pregnancy is the months that the person believes, gets to understand. The only person that would help us is HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Therefore, here, right after Shemon Esrei, it's very befitting that tefillah to get us to Kedusha the Sidra that we're going to say. Kedusha the Sidra that's in Valitzion is the Gemara says that the word stand on the Kedusha of the Sidra. They were connecting both up together. This is Lamnatziach, and this Lamnatziach we don't say the day that we're saying the Tachnun because Yaancha Beyum Tzara. Beyum Tzara is the day of distress. Therefore, once we mention that on the day of that, we don't say Tachnun. Don't want people should be sad and distressed. We don't say this Mizmor either. But this is a very powerful mizmor. Just like this mizmor, we say, our enemies come with chariots and with susim horses. They have a lot of power and everything. And we call the name of Hashem. And they're going to fall down and be destroyed. And we're going to be there because Hashem, we have the source of HaKadosh Baruch Hu to save us. It was the Klosenberg Rebbe lost 4 of his children and his wife in Holocaust. And he came to New York and he built up the community of the Chassidic Klosenberg. He told him, how come you are so powerful? How come you are so, somebody like that is depressed? At least he's not depressed, but he doesn't have so much energy and power. And he came out and he made a very interesting statement. He said, see, Hitler took my children, took my wife, took my parents, took everything that I have. But one thing he couldn't take away from me. And that is my connection with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. This connection gives me everything. Somebody has everything in this world. He doesn't have that connection, he got nothing. Somebody has that connection, no matter what he has everything. Because that connection makes it. That is the Mizmor says, Hashem, Hashem, you are the one, our salvation, that you answer us on the day that we call upon you. That relationship that we have with you, that's a connection between Shemoneh Esrei and Kedusha de Sidra, this Mizmor that we say to bring out the point of this connection and to bring the Geula, just like Uvalutzion, we say that HaKadosh Baruch Hu brings the Geula for Am Yisrael.